Hello, good morning everyone. I am Sukraj Rai, a youth volunteer from Rangpo, and I am also one of the victims of that flash flood. Look at the place. Here was a big village. More than 150 houses were buried, and more than 200 families became homeless, including children, old people, students. So nothing left. That flash flood was occurred due to the broken of the dams which was constructed at Dikchu. More than 25 people were missing, yet two dead bodies are found, and it looked like nothing was there. Look at this, where I am standing. This is also the place where there were many houses, many peoples were used to play, many children used to play. All the memories, good or bad, all their wealth were buried, all their houses, their documents. Now it looks like nothing. There was a big playground, 100 by 70 meter dimension, but nothing left. Many people, more than 1,000 people became homeless. Now they are sheltering in the relief camp. There are two relief camp. One is in school, government primary school, and one is in a community hall, Ujjwal community hall, that is also in Rangpo in upper village. So they are sheltering. Few people who are migrated, they are also migrating to their own villages and towns, and the local people are here in the camps and with their relatives. I hope you look at these places, look at the images.